Hello and welcome back. So let's add a search thingy here, an advanced search bar, so that we can search for products in case you have too many products and you don't want to go page by page, you just want to search. So what I will do is I want to make it a little bit more difficult for us because easy is boring, right? So what I want to do is add one more thing. So if I go to my table, the eShop table here, there's the categories that we're adding to the products, but I also want to add brands because somebody had asked for that. It was part of the template, so we can bring it back. And then there was a selector for searching for a specific price between prices. I think we can bring that back just so I show you how to create an advanced search thingy. So I want a brands table. So what I will do is, instead of creating something new, I'll go to categories because it's kind of similar. And there's category here, and there's disabled, which we need. We won't be needing parent though, because the brands won't be, they're not going to be subcategories like subcategories here or sub brands or something like that. A brand is just a brand. So parent will be removed, but the views we can keep because that helps to rank the brands. So what I will do, instead of recreating this table from scratch, is I will go to operations while this table is selected, and then I will say I think coming up, a flu is about to take over. Hopefully it's not COVID-19. Okay, so I want to copy the table. So it says copy table here, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I want to copy to the same database, of course. And I want to copy to categories, but instead of categories, I want to call it brands. Like so. So it's asking me, do I want to copy the structure and the data? No, I just want the structure. And not data only, just the structure. And what else? Constraints. Yeah, everything else, leave it as it is and click go. So that way we use a shortcut to create a specific new table. So we have brands table here now. Good. Now let's go to the structure and alter it, because obviously we don't need category here. We don't need parent. So let's first drop parent here. Drop. Exactly. Drop. Let's go to category and click edit or change. Okay, then now let's say brand, like so. We'll leave everything as it is, no biggie. Save. Okay, so now we have a brand, and let's add an index here, of course, because we'll be searching using it. There we go. So now we have a new table with categories. So at least now we have two search criterias. We can also search for the, let's see what else is in products here. What we can search for. We can search for price, yes. And we can search for quantity. We can also search for category. Yes, this should be interesting. And now we can add brand here. So what I would do in the products section is to add a brand category here, which will be kind of like the category one there. So let's go to the structure and let's create brand, new one. Now here I can choose where to put it, so I'll put it just after category and hit go. So this is going to be brand, and int is okay. So I will leave it there and hit save. Now let me see, this is int, as this is int. Okay, we are in good company. So let me add an index to brand as well. Good. Okay, so this is all good now. Now we do have a, oh, there's a categories table, yes. There we go. What I want though now is to add some data. So let me add brands data here. Now, I don't know any brand names, but let's try and just wing it, shall we? So let's see what brands we can put here. I want to put a brand called, I don't know, Johnson's. I don't know if those are proper. Yeah, I don't know. Johnson's, what brands are there? I'm really not a shopper at all, because you can tell. Let's see if I can get the... I want to find the original HTML template here so that I can check, because I think it had a list of brands that I can copy from, but it's taking a while to load for some reason. Okay, there we go. This is the original. How far we have come. Okay, so these are the brands here. They're weird brands though. Acne. Is that a real brand? Ron Hugh. Anyway, let me copy one of these. Odemoli, Ron Hugh. What else can I get? I can't even do this. Brands. So we'll have to bring back this brands view here. And also, this thing here, we'll have to bring it back so that somebody can choose the minimum and maximum price they want to look at. Okay, meanwhile, let's go back to our brands. Ron Hill there. Let's try Ron Hill. Ron Hill. And let's hit go. So we've added 2 brands. Good. Let's go to browse. Okay, great. Let's insert again. Albiro. These are weird brands. Albiro. What else? Yeah, no, they're just weird. I don't know. Toyota. That's all I can think about. It's weird. But go. It's a brand. Okay, great. So there we go. So Johnson's, Ron Hugh, Albiro, Toyota. Yes. So now we have brands here. Very nice. So all we need now in our products here is to supply brands in this here. So let me go back to brands here and see what numbers we have. So on the IDs we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the numbers we have to play with. So let me go back to products here and try to randomly add these numbers here. So now if you don't have the latest version of MySQL, you can't just double click here and edit. I don't know if your version can do that, good. If it can't, just click edit and edit them one by one, or you can select all of them and click edit here. But I can just add those numbers here. So just say 1. This is just a random addition. I'll put 2 there. Let me put 4 there for maximum random ability. I'll put another 2 there. I'll put a 3 there. Add another 3. Let's go back to a 1. And let's add more of, I don't know, 1, 4? 4. There we go. Okay, so at least I've given them brands now. Though this was a bad idea, but we're supposed to do it when adding a product, right? Back here. So here when I say add new product, I should have a list for branding here. So as you can see, we have a slight problem here where this is no longer at the top. I wonder why this is like this. Interesting. So let's just go in there and change the Z index of the add product, add new product. So I just want to search for that. Let me go to products.php and search for that, which is add new product. So the class is add new, add edit panel, hide. Okay, so right here, let's see, add new. I do have some classes here. Actually, where is this class? Add new. Oh, this is for selecting. Add edit panel. Where is that? There we go. So let's just add a z index here because it's a position absolute, so we can add a z index. Let's just say 100. Let's not go too crazy. See if it actually works. Okay, so that worked, but maybe 100 is too much, but it's okay. So that worked there. You can do the same for the edit panel. Okay, so why don't these guys close when you want them to close? Okay, so when we are here now, if I click add new, we're supposed to have a brands listing here. So we're going to do that in the next video.